Section B, Adverbs.
Next on our list of cool grammar stuff is the making of Spanish adverbs. You probably already know that adverbs are words used to describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, and usually answer the question how or to what extent. Let's look at an example in English, and then we'll show you how to make adverbs in Spanish.
Let's look at an adverb in English. How does Ferdinand fight dinosaurs? He fights dinosaurs bravely. In this sentence, we'd say bravely is an adverb, since it's modifying the verb fights. How does Ferdinand fight? Bravely. Bravely is an adverb.
Now you see that ly at the end of the word bravely?
Oh, I see it. I see it. Mm-hmm.
Good. Well, in English, that's how we make most of our adverbs. We take an adjective, like brave, me.
Of course.
Right? And then we add an ly to the end of it.
Spanish makes many of its adverbs the same way, by adding a special ending, mente, to the singular feminine form of an adjective. There are lots of other adverbs out there that don't use mente, just like there are lots of English adverbs that don't end in ly. But knowing mente will still be useful.
Right. And why is it that we add mente to the singular feminine form? I don't know, really.
No one knows.
No.
It's one of those things.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's form an adverb from the word valiente, which means brave. First, we're going to take the feminine singular form of the adjective, then add mente. If we were going to use valiente to describe the word chica, we'd use valiente, since adjectives that end in E don't change to reflect gender. Now, all that's left is for us to add mente, valientemente. That means bravely.
¿Cómo lucha Ferdinando contra los dinosaurios? Ferdinando lucha valientemente. Él es valiente. Él lucha valientemente.
We can take just about any adjective, change it to its feminine singular form, add mente, and we've got ourselves an adverb.
Let's make a few more adverbs. First, we'll need some adjectives. How about lento, the word for slow, fácil, which means easy, and inteligente, which, if you are inteligente, you know means intelligent.
Okay, to transform these adjectives into adverbs, the first thing we need to do is put them into feminine singular form. Let's see. Lento. Well, we'd change that to lenta, but fácil would stay the way it is, since adjectives that end in consonants don't change to reflect gender. The same thing's true for inteligente, since it ends in an E like valiente. So that'll stay the same too. Now, all we do is add our mente endings. Lentamente, fácilmente, and inteligentemente. Slowly, easily, and intelligently.
Es muy inteligente to use the suffix mente when you want to make a Spanish adverb. Just stick it on the end. You've got a new adverb friend from a feminine singular adjective. Nos gusta mente, es muy inteligente. Nos gusta mente when making all our Spanish adverbs. Nos gusta mente, es muy inteligente. Nos gusta mente when making all our Spanish adverbs. Mente, the adverb maker.
So when you decide you need to make an adverb out of an adjective, by all means use mente. I know I will.
There are three basic constructions you can use to compare two nouns. The construction más plus adjective plus que is used to express more than. Menos plus adjective plus que is used to express less than. And tan plus adjective plus como is used to express two things that are equal. So, to say Maria is taller than Juan, we say Maria es más alta que Juan. To say Maria is less tall than Juan, we say Maria es menos alta que Juan. And to say Maria is as tall as Juan, we say Maria es tan alta como Juan. In these constructions, remember to make sure the adjective agrees with the first noun.
Many Spanish adverbs can be formed from adjectives. Like the suffix ly in English, by adding the suffix mente to an adjective in its feminine singular form, we turn it into an adverb. Examples are rápidamente, valientemente, and lentamente.